All right, so the thing with the magnetic eyeliner is you want to put it on and you want to let it dry completely. And you want to put at least 2 coats. And you want it to dry in between each coat. So a lot of times if I don't do my eyes first, I rush it and I don't ever like the results. So how to do lashes. And the best advice that I can give you is practice. But if you're not sure about traditional lashes, try some magnetic lashes. The magnetic liner from Head Candy. I don't have the magnetic liner. I have the lashes from Head Candy, and this is my absolute favorite lash box I've ever seen. How freaking cute. So you want to put your liner on, let it dry, okay? And then you'll do an additional coat, let that dry, and then you pop your lashes on. Now, the good thing about Head Candy is they also come with these little anchors. So if you're afraid that they're gonna come off, you can always use the little anchors, okay? Okay. Always shake it up really good. All right. And don't let it freak you out that it's a brush. As you see, it goes on really well. Whoops. That was aggressive. It's fine. For the magnetic liner is make sure you line from corner to corner, because one of the things that I did whenever I first tried the magnetic lashes, not Head Candies, but another brand, is I didn't go to the outer corner all the way, because I typically don't, you know what I mean, and it wouldn't stick there because there was nothing for it to stick to. All right, as you can see, I just slammed this on and it does not stay wet real long. It's not completely dry, but you see I have hooded eyes and I'm opening and closing my eyes a lot and it's not moving around. Okay, now one thing about doing magnetic eyelashes, you want to have stainless steel tweezers if you're going to use tweezers. How they look, you can take them off and fix them. So these are the, oh God, I think they're the Ravishing Rondas. Now you have lashes. How amazing is that? No glue, which means it's easier for your natural lashes, easier on your natural lashes. But the key is how you apply the magnetic liner. You want to make sure you let it dry properly, and then you literally, your lashes will just grab. So let me see if I can scooch, zoom in, up close and personal, okay? I promise I showered today. I didn't wash my hair, but I showered. All right, watch this. Okay. All right. Do you see that? Do you see how easy that is? Now, see? What do you think? When these come in stock, if you're wanting lashes, you're wanting to do lashes, to try lashes, to love lashes, these, out being so over the top, I do not feel like a drag queen when I wear these to work. I just don't. Lashes, I really, really suggest the Head Candy magnetic lashes. Really. This highlighter is so good. It's the Milani Strobe Light Day Glow in the color Day Glow. And I love it. Eyeliner. Prim eyeliner. Guess what? You can get this in this month's customer special. We're gonna line our lips with it. Love me some Prim eyeliner. People, you would be amazed at how many people are terrified of this color, yet every time I wear it, people always compliment the color. The liquid eyeliner, the liquid eyeshadow that we put on our inner portion of our eye. I'm going to take a skosh of do we like it? Now, let's set it and forget it. And see, if you're interested in the lashes, Head Candy, you can go to the description, the link in the description that says hair, or you can go where it says everything else, and that's my link tree. That's where all my links are. My makeup website, if you want to join my team and do this with me, that link's there. Everything is in my link tree. So if you want to know where something come from, go to my link tree and you'll find it there.